Welcome to the project demonstration of the ultimate floor cleaner robot. So main aim of this project is to clean the floor through this mop and water. Again in this project we are using 12 volts 1 amp battery, PIC microcontroller, L29 3D motor driver, this is one, and Bluetooth module, and also we can see here relay which is control this water pump motor, and L29 3D controls these two DC motors. These two DC motor will having a 12 volts 1 amp supply. So this supply is connected to this motor connections are connected to this L29 3D. Using this charging circuit and transformer, we can charge the battery through this rectifier. So the working of this module is to this transformer take input of 230 volts AC 10 amps input, and it will give output of, it will step down the current up to 12 volts AC. That AC current is given to this bridge rectifier. So this is a bridge rectifier input and this is a bridge rectifier output. The bridge rectifier output will be give 12 volts of DC supply. So that 12 volts supply will be given to this battery charger connection. So here we can see, if I connect here, after that if we put power, here we can see the light indication, which means the battery is charging. So we'll see the demonstration. So first of all we have to come to Bluetooth. Once we have to refresh it. Just a minute. So we on the power supply. So Bluetooth is on. We can also remove this one after the full charge. So here we can see the SC05. We have to connect that one. So it will ask password. Password should be 1234. So now it is connected. We have to come serial Bluetooth app. So we have to come here and have to choose devices. So here you can see the SC05. So we have to connect this one. So it is showing connecting to SC05. So it is now connected. Let will see the demonstration. If I press F, it will be move forward. If I press B, it will move backward. If I press L, here in this way we can press in the keyboard also. It will rotate left. If I press R, it will rotate right side. So if I want to on the water or water motor, we have to press 1 for motor on. Here we can see the water. If I want to stop the water motor, press 2 for the off the water motor. Thank you for the watching.